Alright, we're doing a 2-bedroom apartment. This was a last minute rush job. I'll show you. I haven't even really looked at this too good. There's one of the rooms. He's already sprayed the living room down, so we're getting ready to start up right now, and they want it done in a hurry. So
apparently someone's moving in tomorrow.
Yeah. As you can see, it's completely ready for them to move in. There's like stuff everywhere. Yeah, it's ready. Move right on in. I guess it's been vacuumed. That's not our deal here, so.
Yeah, we're not charging for it, so.
Well, they don't want to pay for vacuuming, so it's up to them to do it, so I hope they did it already. If we have to end the video abruptly, it's because probably one of the maintenance guys I saw on a service call, and if he shows up and wants to work in here at the same time, we probably won't video anymore. It's too weird having the maintenance guys around. This carpet really doesn't even seem to have any stains in it that I've seen.
No, it's really clean.
Yeah, super bright window. Hope it's not blowing out the video. I'm feeling that's worse. I'm gonna put links in the video description for the all the stuff we're using to do this, the machine and the bonnet, and I'll put direct links. I'll also put a link to our Amazon influencer store where we have like 3,000 items. We sell a lot more of the accessories for the for not just this, but other floor buffers and polishers. And we sell electric truck mounts, lots of portables. We sell a lot of the chemicals.
Automobiles.
Yeah,
if
we
you need
sell.
a car, go buy one from us.
Yeah, we sell work vans if you want to buy vans and stuff like that. And so go check the links on that, and I'll put a link in for our Facebook group, the VLM Carpet Cleaners Lounge, which is open to anybody. You don't have to be a carpet cleaner. In fact, I think most of the people in the group really aren't carpet cleaners. They're just people that like to talk about cleaning equipment and hang out. There's some vacuum lovers and stuff in there too. He's about done with this room. Let me see what this other room. Here's the hall, little short hallway. Oh yeah. This room may have some little things in the carpet. There may be damage. I think we cleaned this about less than 6 months ago, so this is probably an eviction. Alright, my Paul's here while we spray a little further ahead, so stay tuned. We're back.
Now we made a video the day before this showing that you could do a 1-bedroom apartment. That was dirtier than this. I mean, this isn't dirty, but it has some spots of stains. We did the whole thing, and well, the video lasted 16 minutes, but we actually got that opinion in about 13 minutes, 12 or 13 minutes, so we goofed around for a little bit and just stretched the video out to 16 minutes. But this is a very fast way to clean, and it's very fast and it cleans very effectively. If you want to use another method, that's on you. This will do it for you.
Oh yeah, these carpets will be dry. It's like 104 today. But it is a little bit muggy. But anyway, the carpets will dry pretty quickly.
Oh, and
probably an hour from now.
25 minutes or so maybe.
Yeah, which is good because there's getting ready to be a maintenance man walking all over them. Which any carpet cleaner knows, you don't want people walking all over your freshly clean carpets if you can help it, but especially if they're still damp. So.
Especially if you're a maintenance guy with some nasty old work boots on, which he will have.
Yeah. And maintenance guys, they don't care about your clean carpet. They'll just do whatever they want to do, and they don't care if the carpets look good when they're done or not. So.
But it won't matter to us. We got a video.
We almost maybe shouldn't even bother raking this since they're not done up here.
We got a video showing the carpets were clean when we left.
Yep. Documentation.
So if someone says the carpets aren't clean, it's like, well, they weren't when we left. The maintenance guy dirtied them.
Yep. So if you guys do apartment complexes, anytime they call you and tell you they got one that has to be done today because the people are moving in, then you can be assured that it's been done for a few days probably, and they could have had you up there long before that. They didn't have to rush you out.
Well, they probably forgot because they're irresponsible.
Yeah, I think what happened probably was they had this set to be cleaned and they forgot all about it.
See, a lot of managers, they sit in those offices and they fool around on their telephones, playing on Facebook and chatting with people. They don't do their job.
Drinking coffee with their pinky out.
Yeah, so they forget that stuff's not been done until the last minute.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if there's a box of donuts up there somewhere.
And the kind of managers are here are just those types of managers.
Oh yeah.
The truth is, we don't respect them.
No, I mean, these are the types of managers that lose your invoice because they just got lazy and forgot to mail it in, and you don't know until you wait 60 days for your money to come in, and then it doesn't show up, and then find out that the ticket never got mailed. I mean, that's how apartments are. The only good thing about them is they're steady work, because in the wintertime...
you work all year.
Yeah, in the wintertime, when people don't want to get their garbage cleaned because it's Christmas time, apartment complexes are evicting people right and left, and so they're always have carpets that need cleaned.
Yeah, the good old Christmas eviction.
I think that's the only reason we stay here, is because it's just steady. It's a steady money.
Yeah, we don't care for this place. But,
it's a hassle to deal with.
It's anytime you get year-round work, you don't leave that because of the managers. If you got a bad manager,
well, the managers won't stay.
Yeah, you just wait for the manager to get fired, and you.
I think the time we've been working here, they've gone through 15 or 20 managers.
No, they've gone through 27 managers.
Okay.
In 10 years, 27 managers.
Yeah.
Then they get behind the door.
No, don't forget the closet.
Yeah, 27 managers.
And I think 26 of them tried to fire us the first day they showed up. It's like, well, I want to get new carpet cleaners. I want to get new lawn crew. I want to get new maintenance men.
Every time one shows up, they want to replace.
Yeah, like I want to bring my people in, and the place has to tell them, you're not bringing your people in. You're keeping our people. But they monkey with you. A lot of the times when you're getting these last-minute cleaning jobs, it's because a manager's trying to push you. So if they can't fire you, then they got to try to get you to quit.
Every now and then, I'll let one of these managers know, look, I don't work for you. I never would work for you.
Did you get all the way down?
Say the person who owns this, that's my customer. So I'll tell the manager, you're nothing to me. You're someone he's going to fire, so don't tell me what to do.
Yeah. You're either going to quit or
you get fired.
You're going to quit or get fired, not me. So.
Yeah, so don't be telling me nothing.
So get off my back.
That's how you have to treat them. I mean, that's.
Well, you got to be respectful.
And you know what? That's exactly. They're here to get fired. That's how it really is.
All right, I'm gonna pause.
They're not going to last.
We got to pre-spray one more room, and we got one more room to clean real quick. And they actually have another apartment they want us to do today, and it's pretty much right at 5 o'clock, and they want us to do another one, and we told them that's not going to happen until tomorrow. All right, we're back. I had a little cleanness interrupt us because the maintenance guy came back, but he left. So
he came at a good time because he came and we were just finishing the room and didn't even make us have to shut the camera off.
It was a transition period.
So nobody missed nothing, including us.
Yeah, we want to hurry up and get this done and get out.
Well, it's about 103 or 104 degrees
104,
outside.
yeah.
It ain't a good time to fool around.
And the UV is very high. The hotter it gets, the more they have upstairs units.
Yeah, the dreaded upstairs unit.
That's where it pays to have your equipment load as light as possible.
That's where it pays to have an Oreck Orbiter, not a big heavy machine.
Yeah.
Now, those people that like the big machines, more power to you. Not me, boy. This will do what the big machines do, and it don't break your back getting it up the stairs.
Yeah, we're getting done easy here. Now you can check our channel. We've got hundreds of videos that show how to do this stuff, and we try to simplify it as much as possible. And we try to explain as we go most of the time what we're doing, so you can watch and get an easy education. I've actually got someone that left a comment I haven't answered yet, and they're wanting to know they have only about $1,000 to spend, and what can they get for that?
Right here, baby.
And what's the best way to get started because they want to start a cleaning business? So
these in the trunk of your car.
Yeah, I got to go talk to him.
Go to a dumpster and find a broken vacuum and put a belt on it and clean the hoses out. And there you go, you're in business.
Well, if you're thinking about starting a carpet cleaning business, you should try to join our Facebook group, and I'll put a link in the video description like I mentioned, and you can get lots of advice from other people that are also doing pretty much the same thing.
Now you can get these off eBay stuff used, but if you're gonna have a business, I recommend buying them new because the ones on eBay, they've probably been ran for 4 or 5 years in the hardest, nastiest conditions as possible.
Don't forget your cloth.
So we recommend you buy brand new.
Yeah, if you want it to be dependable, don't buy a used one.
If you use one after that for a backup machine, that's fine and dandy. But get a new one to start off, and then get you a cheap used one for backup if you want it, or for stripping or waxing.
Yeah, they're under $400. But you get an Oreck and you get a pump-up sprayer, so you can put your pre-spray down, get you a basic vacuum. And a carpet rake's nice to have, but you can use a broom or a brush or anything you have. But if you want to be able to make the carpets look, get rid of all the cleaning marks and the footprints when you're done. And a carpet rake does the best.
You see all these carpet cleaners talking about they buy used equipment? Well, they've got equipment, so it don't matter if it's used.
Yeah, they're buying stuff that they're going to use lightly or backup.
When you start off, you get something new to work with.
Yeah, they have that stuff as like, you know, additional equipment they can use for certain jobs.
They got a bunch of different machines in case something breaks. It don't
Yeah.
matter to them.
We've got 4 of these Orecks, and one of them's not running. But we've got 4 of them. I've talked to somebody who has like 6 or 7 of them.
We've got this one we work with. One of them's broke. This one we work with. We got 2 that are brand new and never been used.
Yeah, but it's kind of nice if you have someone you can work with. You can have 2 machines, and you can go a little bit faster. Come on in. That's it. Thanks for watching.